Hi, I'm Sean Romanek, the R&D engineer with One Silicon Chip Photonics, located in Montreal, Quebec. And we're here in downtown Montreal to demonstrate the operation of our Alpha Prototype IMU. It's 10:30 a.m. on Thursday, August 11th, 2022. And you can see in the back seat here is where we have the Alpha Prototype, and in this blue box here contains our optical gyroscope. We have a linear accelerometer as well. So over here on my laptop screen, I am running a graphical user interface that shows the gyroscope output. So right now we of course are stationary, and you can see that this red line here, which represents the gyroscope level, is right at 0. So as we are about to move, you will see that the red line will change, corresponding to the speed and direction of our movement. So right now, as we're changing lanes, you can see that it's dropping below 0. And as we're straightening it out, it goes above 0 a bit. And the deviation from 0 as we changed lanes wasn't very high, because of course we weren't changing lanes at a dangerous speed. Now we are about to make a turn, and you will see the red line change significantly from 0 as we make the turn. So we're making a clockwise turn, so you can see that the red line representing the gyroscope goes well above 0. And as we straighten out, it goes back to 0 again, because we're no longer turning, of course. So now we're about to make a turn in the opposite direction, so you should see the red line move in the opposite direction, and you can see that it is indeed going negative. And as we straighten up again, it goes back towards 0. So the gyroscope output corresponds to our rotation, with the direction corresponding to our direction of rotation, and the magnitude, the deviation from the 0 level, representing our speed of rotation. So we're now about to make another clockwise turn, so again you should see a change in the red gyroscope output, and you can see that now it's increasing, going well above 0 as we're turning, and then as we straighten out again, it goes back towards 0. Okay, and now we've straightened out, so you can see that it's back towards 0 again. Now we're coming to a red light, so we're stopped, and you see the gyroscope level is at 0. So we're now, as soon as the light changes, we're going to make another turn, and so you will see as we turn that the gyroscope level will change. Okay, so we're now turning, and you can see again the gyroscope level deviates from 0, corresponding to our turn, and then after our turn is over, it goes back to 0. We're still moving, of course, but we're not turning, so it's staying close to 0. Now we're coming towards a stop. So as we park, as we turn, it deviates from 0, but once we stop, it'll stop at 0 again. Okay, so this red line represents just the gyroscope level alone, this direction and speed that we're turning. But we're collecting more than just that. We're collecting the full IMU data. So you can see here that we are collecting a timestamp, and at every timestamp, a linear acceleration and a gyroscope level. And then all of this is being backlogged as well. So you can see here in downtown Montreal, driving around on regular city streets with regular traffic, we are demonstrating that our Alpha Prototype IMU is functioning as it should. Thank you very much for your time.